In this Blender tutorial, we're going to install the really great Seams to Sewing Pattern add-on for Blender written by Thomas Cole. This add-on allows you to take a 3D model, mark some seams on it, and then unfold it into a sewing pattern. It even allows you to quickly do an inflatable simulation. This is really great for finding forms and finding patterns for complex installations and structures. This add-on is not listed on the Blender Exchange, so we need to go to Thomas Cole's Seams to Sewing Pattern Blender add-on website. Thank you, Thomas Cole, for making this add-on and sharing it with everybody. Once you get to the website, click on Download from GitLab. Then over on this blue code button, click it and download the zip file. If you're using Safari, make sure it doesn't automatically unzip it. You may have to re-archive it. Then in Blender, go to Edit, Preferences. Under Add-ons or Get Extensions, either one, you can click this top right down arrow and Install from Disk. This allows you to manually install local add-ons in Blender. Navigate to the zip file, select it, and then click Install from Disk. If you click on Add-ons, you should see the Seams to Sewing Pattern add-on right here. Now you're ready to use Seams to Sewing Pattern by Thomas Cole. Happy 3D modeling!